To make a little pit stop on our way to one of the most beautiful places in Oregon. Here! Oh boy! Making our way up. Up we go. Come on, Arch. Let's go. We almost made it to the bridge, Archie. Let's go. Let's go. Sorry, I'm bouncing all around here. Keep going up. Feels like it's raining, but it feels good. Let's go, Archie. Back we go. Come on, Arch. Oh, did that startle you? Okay, come on. Up we go. Yes, I'm out of breath. Apparently I'm out of shape too.